Hi there. In this video, I want to show you how you can be able to change your course after you've already submitted. And I know some of you are worried that you've applied for a course and you felt like you want to change it, yet you've already submitted the choices and you've already paid. So you are wondering, how can I be able to change the course that I want? And maybe some of you, maybe your parent applied for you a course and you really do not want that course. That is the case that I've been handling. You find that the father wants this and the child wants this, and you find that they are clashing. And at the end of the day, the child wants to change the course, and you realize you've already submitted. So how can you be able to change this? And I'll be teaching you that in this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I want to show you that I had already applied for these courses, that is Bachelor of Education Science and Bachelor of Education Arts, and the child wanted to change this. Okay, so first I want to click here, just click on application / revision. Then let's look at application history to just show you that this is the active application that is there, Bachelor of Education Science and Bachelor of Education Arts. So I need to change this, and I'll just click on apply now. And then when you load here, you realize that those codes are still here, the ones that you had applied for initially. So there are things that I want to do here. For example, this code, I want to delete it and also move down. I want also to delete this code, and I want now to put the code that the child wanted. So she had sent me that she wanted Bachelor of Biological Sciences. So I just looked for Biological Sciences, and then I want to choose for her this very code. So I'll highlight this code, and then I'll come back here and just write the code. And okay, just like that, and she qualifies. Okay, she meets the minimum requirements. And then number 3, I want to come here and also look for the same course in a different university. So maybe I just scroll down here. Okay, just right. I think let me look at the universities. Okay, right, Chuka and okay, I think I will go for Masinde Muliro. Okay, so let me just highlight this and then come here and write this code just like that. Okay, and she qualifies. She also wanted Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I know she doesn't qualify, but I just want to prove that she doesn't. All right, so I'll just delete this and come back here and search for computer science, just like that. And then let me check. Okay, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. For example, let me just pick this. Where is it? Okay, this first code. All right, let me just write here as option 4, 105. Okay, and she doesn't qualify. You do not meet the cluster or minimum grade for this program. So I'll just delete it and get back the one that I had before. So I'll just load it just like that. Then the next thing I want you to do first, let me just maximize this. So I'll come down here, and all I need to do is now, let me check the codes first. Okay, I think they are fine. So all I need to do is to click on submit, then click yes and click submit. Okay, so please wait. We shall wait. If you found value in this, please make sure you subscribe. Now here, they are telling me that you've already paid for this service. So all I need to do is to input the first payment reference that I used. Okay, do not pay again. Just use the code that you used before. Okay, it will just replace those, codes. Okay, just submit. Checking for payment. Let's give it some time. Submitting your choices. Okay, successful. Voila. Now it has changed. Let me just scroll down and show you. You see now we have Bachelor of Science biological sciences. Okay, we didn't have that in the beginning, and Bachelor of Science Biology. That is what we've added. So we have successfully changed the course that the student wanted, and hopefully when she'll be placed, maybe she'll be placed in the course that she really wanted. So that is how you can be able to maneuver and just change the codes. And you should know that this is only applicable when the deadline has not expired. So this cannot be possible if the deadline has already expired. So it must be within the deadline that has been set. Whichever year that you'll be doing this, I don't know when you'll be watching this, but whichever year that you'll be doing this, remember it should be within the timeline that has been set. Otherwise, if you found value in this video, please make sure that you subscribe. Above all, like this video and share it. You can drop me a comment if you need help, or you just say thank you for the video. And I want you to click anywhere on this screen to watch our next video, and I hope that I will see you in that video. Peace.